A. A is for apple. A-P-P-L-E. B. Ball. B is for ball. The letter C. C says coo. And look, it's a fluffy cat. Cat starts with C. D is for dog. The beagle is a loyal pet who loves to run and play.
E is for elephant. See the elephant's trunk swing, and now it trumpets.
F is for fish. See the fish swim. Fish starts with F.
Ba-ba.
G stands for goat.
Goat is a farm animal. It eats grass and says ba-ba.
H says huh. Hat starts with H. Hat.
I stands for ice cream.
Ice cream is sweet and cold. Yum, yum.
J stands for juice. Juice is healthy and tasty. Drink juice every day.
Here is the letter K. Big K and little k. K is for kite. L is for lion. Here is the capital letter M. And look who swung by. It's a curator monkey. We are drawing the letter N. N is for nest. A cozy home for these 3 little eggs. The letter O says O. And look, here is an owl. Owl starts with O. P is for parrot. This is a colorful cockatiel parrot.
Hello, I'm the queen. Let's learn the letter Q. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit.
Hi, I'm a rabbit.
The rabbit likes carrots.
Yummy carrots. Hello, I'm the sun, and today we're learning about the letter S. Can you say sun? T is for tiger. T-T tiger.
Great job.
U is for umbrella. U umbrella. Spins around. U for umbrella.
V is for van. Vroom, vroom, van. Vroom, vroom, happy van.
W is for water. W water. Water goes splash.
Xylophone. XY sound. Listen to its sound. Xylophone. Y is for yak.
Yak yak.
The yak walks happily. Z is for zebra.
Zebra.
Zebra starts with the letter Z.
Zebra.